Hello students, welcome to the MongoDB lab videos. Today we are going to discuss on the topic pop operator. Demonstrate how to use pop operator on in document in MongoDB. So what is basically a pop operator? So pop operator basically removes first or last element of an array. So basically definition is simple. Pop operator removes basically first or last element of an array. So pop a value of -1. If we give pop value of -1, it will remove the first element of array. So on the other hand, if we give one positive one, that is 1, it will remove the last element of an array. The definition is simple. I hope you understand. Pop operator removes the first or last element of an array. So in order to remove first element of an array, you have to provide pop value with -1. In order to remove last element of an array, you have to provide just 1. That's all. So we'll drop this collection here. On execute. So collection is dropped. So we are freshly inserting the records. It consists of ID which is similar to primary key, name that is Rajiv, scores followed by 8, 9, 10. Next is Yogesh, scores 80, 90, 10. Scores, remember that scores is an array. Next is Vinay, followed by his scores. Next is Rakesh, his marks is 50, 70, 90. So we'll insert this record. So click on execute button here. So we can see clearly see 4 records has been inserted into collection student scores. So you'll find the details related to Rajiv. You're finding the name colon Rajiv. It will fetch the details of Rajiv. So it has fetched details related to Rajiv. He has scored 8, 9 and 10. So basically here we are applying the pop operator by using update 1. So basically update 1 means it will apply to the single record. Update many means it will apply to the many records. So TB students scores followed by dot update 1 followed by the criteria condition for which we have to apply pop operation. So I am applying for the name Rajiv. So then I'll use the dollar pop keyword and a pop operation on which I want to perform, that is array field name, that is scores. So it's mandated that it should be array. Scores is an array. Clearly you can see it is enclosed in square brackets. I'll highlight it. Clearly you can see that scores is enclosed in marks is enclosed in square brackets. So if I put here scores of -1, then the element 50 will be removed. So, sorry, in case of Rajiv, not Rakesh. And when I go to Rajiv, so here for name Rajiv, I am applying pop operation. The first -1 I am applying. -1 means first element of an array. 8 will be removed. If I apply pop 1, it will remove last element of a array. So we'll check it out. I'll execute it here. Details related to Rajiv has been fetched. So you can find it here. 8 is the first element, 9 is the second element, 10 is the third element. So when I apply the pop operation here on scores for particular, I am applying the pop operation for particular name Rajiv. So scores of -1 means first element will be removed. That is 8 will be removed. So select here and click on play button. So it has matched one count. One name was there, Rajiv. So it has modified the one count. That is removed first element now of array. We'll check it out whether it has been removed or not. So clearly see 8 was the first element of array. It was removed. There you can see 9 and 10 are not removed. First element of an array minus 1 means first element of an array is removed. So I'll show you. Rajiv, come here. So this is the number. This is the value. 8 will be removed. It has been removed. So here they basically to summarize what this query is just update one updates only one document that matches the condition. Filter condition if here given name is equal to Rajiv. So update operation where field's name is Rajiv. So update operator followed by pop. So pop scores, that is it applies first element of an array to be removed for the particular person Rajiv. So for Rajiv, first element of an array will be removed. Array name is scores. So coming here is the brief description. Scores here is an array field. Minus 1 means it will remove first element of array. So if it is 1, we have provided for pop, it will remove the last element. So there is another example. So before update, here is an example. Rajiv 85, 90, 78, 80. If we apply pop of minus 1, so first element, that is 85, will be removed. So output will be after applying the pop operation, 80 will be removed. So elements left over is 90, 78, 88. So 85, first value 85 is removed. So important notes. So pop usually works on only on array fields. This is the most important point. It works only on array fields. If scores is empty or not an array. Remember, if a score field is empty or it's not an array, so nothing will happen. So if only one element is removed per operation. If you apply pop operation, only one element will be removed per operation. Hope you have understood. So important notes. This already I have discussed. Pop scores of minus one. Sorry, one removes the last element. Minus one will remove the first element. Here we'll see pop operation to remove last element in an array. So I'm going to fetch the details related to Vinay. Click on play button here. It will execute. Fetch the details related to Vinay. So we are going to see the scores, marks obtained by Vinay 40, 50, 70. Remember, 70 is the last element, 40 is the first element. So pop scores of 1. 1 means I already told you it will remove the last element of an array. If it's minus 1, it will remove the first element of array. Since I give 1, it will remove the last element of an array. So I'll show which element will be removed. Click on this. So your last element is 70. 70 will be removed here. I'll show you. Yes. Last element of an array is 70. So 70 will be removed. Since I uploaded minus 1. So I'll execute this query. Click on yes. So there is mistake here. So I have provided here space. This should be trimmed. It is removed. Space should be removed. Now I will do it. Click on execute button, play button. So now it is matched. So Vinay has been matched one. So modified. It has removed the last element of an array. So we will find out. We will fetch the details of related to Vinay. So we can clearly see last element of an array has been removed. Last element was removed. So we'll come to second example. I hope you have understood what is pop operation and how does pop operation work. We'll come to second example. So this is the products we are using collection. Inside that ID is there and product is there, product name and its sizes, whether it's small, medium, M stands for medium, large, XL. Similarly, second record consists of hat. Hat is of sizes, different sizes. S, M, small, medium, L, and XL. So clearly you can see our size. We have enclosed the sizes in square brackets. That means size is an array. We can apply pop operation on size. Third record is 3. Cap, product name is cap, and sizes is given here, SML. Next is shirts, S, M, XL, double XL shirts. So we'll find the product related to shirts. Shirts will click here. Details related to products. Oh, sorry, I have not inserted records. Failed to insert. Click on play button. Click yes. I think it has been not product. True. And insert it again. I inserted 4 records in product products. So go and fetch your product. So uh, uh, details related shirts will be fetched. So clearly you can see details related to the shirts has been fetched. Sizes it's S, M, small, medium, XL, double XL has been fetched. Suppose I want to apply pop operation on this product shirts. So this I will be doing using DB products update one. I'll use update one. Update means one means it is going to update for particular record. So I'll be using for which product condition I'm applying here. Filter condition. This is the condition here. So product shirts. So in that pop I will apply to the uh, array. Array name is sizes. Minus one means first element of an array will be removed. I'll show it which will be removed. First element minus one means. So okay, coming to your size array, first element is yes. S will be removed here. So I'll apply the operation. Click on execute button. Click here yes. Check the result here. Match count. It has matched one record and it has modified one record. So we'll check whether S has been removed from array. So clearly you can see here when I expand this, S has been removed from the array size. So this is a scenario. Before update, product shirts its sizes S, M, L, XL was there. When we applied this pop operation on the size array, which is array name, array field. So first element which is S will be removed from the size array. So this is the output you get. I'll copy the query here. So basically size is S, first element of array. When I execute this query, so size first element of an array S will be removed and remaining will be M, L and XL. Example 3. So this I will show you how to apply pop operation to entire document. So I'll drop it here. I'll click on yes button. So I'll change these values. I'll change these values 40, or I'll keep it as same. It becomes easy to be removed. 8 I will keep it. Change the other numbers. 100, 40, 39 I'll give. I'll keep it as 8. 70 I will provide. I will provide 80. I'll change this values 8. Make it as 90. So clearly, you can see the marks obtained made a beginning element as 8, so that we can easily identify which element has been first element has been removed, and last element made it as 90 identical marks, so that it becomes easy to remember. So first element is 8, and last element is 9. So here update many. This means I am applying operations to all the document. It's going to update to multiple records. So I'm not given any conditions here. Pop, I'll apply the operations on array named size. So -1, as I already told you, it removes the first element of an array. So if you want to remove last element of an array, you have to provide 1. Just copy paste it here. Make it as 1. So here I am executing this query. So 8 will be removed in all the records because it is the first element here. You can see here. I select here and click on play button. See it as there is some error here. Scores. Oh, sorry, I've given the this one array name as wrong. Sizes are given. It should be score. That's why it's showing 0. Match 0 on this one. So I'll change it here also. So now I'm going to execute. So scores was an array name. So you will execute it. So 4 records are there. Check it out whether I have given the wrong document name. Execute it again. Drop it. Course. So I'll click here. So 4 records has been inserted. So I'll, I'll click on execute. So it just fetch the details. I'll close this. I will apply the pop operation. So clearly you can see. I think I had not inserted record. It was the mistake I had done. Match count. So 4 record existed. So 4 modified records are there. So it has updated to 4 records. That is -1 means first element 8 will be removed in all the records. So clearly you can see. Click on yes. So you can see clearly 8 has been removed. Document in record 1, and here I'll collapse the marks. 8 has been removed. Coming down, I'll scroll here. Nice, 8 has been removed. Rakesh scores 8 has been removed. I gave the probably same number because it becomes easy to identify. So last number is here last element is now 90. 90. Clearly you can see last element of an array is 90. Rakesh last element is all last element are 90. So in order to remove the last element of an array, you have to give the 1. Here I have given 1. So DB update many means it will apply to multiple records. So filter I have not given to any condition. It will update all the records. So select here score. So 1. 1 means it will remove the last element of an array. So clearly you can see it has matched 4 record. It has modified 4 record. I'll close it. We'll check it out whether 90, that is last element of an array, has been removed or not. So guys, we'll see. Expand it. Yes, 90 has been removed. That is last element. Yogesh. Yes, 90 has been removed. Course. Expand it. Yes, 90 has been removed. Yes, you will come to Rakesh. Yes, 90 has been removed. So clearly, this operation is successfully executed. So I hope guys you understood the what is pop operation and how to execute pop operation in MongoDB. I hope if you have liked the video, you subscribe it, and I'll see you next video. Next video will be related to push operator. So see you guys. Bye.